So it's hello from St Andrews, the home of Championship side Birmingham City. But this week it's all about international football as a big night awaits for the Ireland under-21s. They face back-to-back European champions England. Lee Carsley's England, of course, here. And kick-off on Friday night is at 7:45. Now, just starting with Ireland, they've kicked off the campaign with 7 points from their opening 3 games. They started the group campaign in September with back-to-back wins over Moldova and Andorra, but were held to a draw against Slovakia in Cork last month. But Friday night's test against Lee Carsley's side will be like nothing they've ever faced before. A team littered with Premier League talent, players with Champions League experience, and there's no getting away from the fact that a big test awaits the young boys in green here on Friday night. The likes of Mason Melia, James Bankra and Trent Kone-Doherty will be looking to help the young boys in green to a big result on the road. 3 players, of course, 3 of many who play their club football in England at Watford, Liverpool, and of course Mason Melia has just finished the season with St Pat's, but his transfer to Spurs will officially go through in a couple of weeks' time when he turns 18 in January. He got a couple of goals in the open window, and we will be looking to do the same here on Friday evening. It's also a big camp for Manchester United's Jack Morehouse. He has earned his first competitive call-up after his passport and paperwork came through. He'll be looking to win his first competitive cap under Jim Crawford on Friday night. But just looking at England, as I said, back-to-back European champions. Lee Carsley has led them to a side littered with top talent. The likes of Borussia Dortmund's Jobe Bellingham, brother of England star Jude, who the two of them, of course, started their football careers here at Birmingham City. Jobe is now at Borussia Dortmund and will be looking to lead his side to a big result here on Friday. Other players, Irish eyes will be familiar with the likes of Newcastle's Lewis Hall, Arsenal's Ethan Nwaneri, Chelsea's Tyreek George. So a side littered with top talent, and there's no getting away from the fact that a tough test awaits the boys in green here on Friday night. England have a 100% start to the qualifying campaign so far, with 3 wins from 3 and 3 clean sheets against Kazakhstan, Moldova and Andorra, and they'll be looking to maintain that 100% start against the young boys in green here. Of course, this time last year, Lee Carsley found himself in interim charge of the England senior team, and 12 months ago this week he was busy preparing for a Wembley Stadium clash against Heimir Hallgrímsson's Ireland. And from an Irish point of view, no one needs reminding of that 5-0 defeat Ireland suffered at Wembley Stadium. But 12 months on, it's back to under-21 duty for the former Ireland midfielder who won 40 senior caps wearing the green shirt. He's also a former under-21 teammate of Jim Crawford. I spoke to the under-21 boss about his time spent with the former Birmingham City midfielder, speaking very fondly of him. Didn't exactly think he'd go on to the managerial success he's gone on to since. Of course, when you're 2021, all you're focusing on is the international camp and playing for your country. But all these years later, these two managers find themselves in opposition dugouts in a massive Euro 2027 qualifier. So here from St Andrews, we'll have the latest build-up and reaction to Friday night's qualifier as England face Ireland here in Birmingham.